Hello students, in this video I'll show you long form of periodic table and I'll give you some tricks how you can learn S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and these inner transition series which are called as lanthanides and these are called as actinides. I'll give you one line for learning of each and every element of periodic table. So without wasting our time, we'll first start from S block elements. S block elements, group 1, they are called as alkali metals and the elements which are present in group 1 is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So here you can learn with one line that there is one Mohammedan girl which is praying, who is praying to God, oh God, please remove this coronavirus so that we can continue with our work, we can go to our school regularly. So here I have written one line, Halina ne ki Rab se faryad. So Ha for hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, say, cesium, faryad, francium. So with this line you can learn easily this group 1 elements, Halina ne ki Rab se faryad. Now move to group 2. Group 2, they are called as alkaline earth metals and the elements which are present in group 2 are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now you can learn with one trick, that is one little boy is there and he is saying to his father, I need toys, I need car, I need toy scooter, and you can memorize your childhood memories also. When we are in our childhood stage, we are also saying to our parents that we need some toys. So you can learn it with one trick, that beta mange car scooter baap razi. So beta beryllium, mange magnesium, car calcium, scooter strontium, baap barium, razi radium. So you can learn easily beta mange car scooter baap razi. So these are the trick for S block elements, group 1 as well as for group 2. Now we'll move to P block elements. They are start from 13 and till 18. So from this 13 to 18, I'll give you trick from top to bottom how you can learn that these group 13 elements. So group 13 elements are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Now we can learn that एक बाबा जी हैं जो घूमते हैं एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री. So we can learn that बाबा अली गए इंडिया to Thailand. बाबा बोरोन, अली एल्यूमिनियम, गए गैलियम, इंडिया इंडियम, थाईलैंड थैलियम. So you can learn that Baba Ali gaye India to Thailand. This is trick for group 13. Now we'll move to next, that group 14, which is also called as carbon family, and group 13 is called as boron family. Group 14 elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So you can learn it with Kaun, C, Geeta, Sneha, Prabha. Kaun means carbon, C silicon, Geeta germanium, Sneha tin and Prabha lead. So you can learn easily group 14 elements, Kaun, C, Geeta, Sneha, Prabha. Kaun, C, Geeta, Sneha, Prabha. Now we'll move to next group 15 elements, which are called as nitrogens and that is also called as nitrogen family. Elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Now you can learn it with one trick. Then one boy is there, he is drinking some cold drink and he is taking it too much. So one is saying कि ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच, कि इतनी ज़्यादा मत पियो कि कंट्रोल ही ना रहे। सो ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच। सो ना नाइट्रोजन, पी फॉस्फोरस, ऐसे आर्सेनिक, सबके SB that is antimony, beach BI that is bismuth. So ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच, it's for group 15. Now we'll move to group 16 that are also called as chalcogen or oxygen family, and elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So one trick which I have used regarding cheating in exam: O style से टे पो, O style से टे पो। चीटिंग करनी है तो you have to use some trick for that cheating. So O oxygen, style sulfur, से selenium, टे tellurium, po polonium. So O style से टे पो, O style से टे पो, it belongs to group 16, that is oxygen family. Now next is group 17, they are called as halogens. Group 17, they are called as halogens. Elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So one line for this is: फिर कल बारात आई ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, फिर कल बारात आई ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, फिर फ्लोरीन, कल Cl, बारात Br, ब्रोमीन I, iodine, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एस्टेटाइन At. So you can learn easily: फिर कल बारात आई ऑस्ट्रेलिया से. So these all are about group 17, that is halogens. Now we'll move to last element, P group, P block elements, 18 group, that is noble gases. So we can learn it with कि grandparents, they are grandparents are there. तो उसकी एक ग्रैंड डॉटर है, उसकी और ग्रैंड डॉटर और उसकी फ्रेंड्स को ब्लेसिंग्स दे रहे हैं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, लाइक हीना, नीना और कैटरीना जीती रहना. So elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. हीना, नीना और कैटरीना जीती रहना. So you can learn easily with this line group 18 elements that are noble gases. So with this P blocks are complete. Now we'll start with very important, that is D block elements. D blocks are present here in the periodic table from atomic. They are present in 4 series. This first series is called as 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, which starts from lanthanum, and these elements are present below. They are called as lanthanides, and these actinides, they are actually present here in 5F series. So I'll give you tricks for these 6 lines also. First we'll start with this 3D series, that is called as first transition series, and elements are present from atomic number 21 to 30. So its elements are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So you can learn it with one line, that scooter, TV, कार महंगा, फिर कौन नहीं corrupt जिंदगी में. I have written some wrong spellings of corrupt to correlate it with copper. I have to write here CU, that is corrupt जिंदगी में. So what I have written: scooter, TV, car, महंगा. Everything is costly here. So scooter, TV, कार, महंगा, फिर कौन नहीं corrupt जिंदगी में. So scooter, scandium, टाइटेनियम, TV, वेनेडियम, कार, Cr, महंगा, Mn, मैंगनीज, फिर Fe, आयरन, कौन, Co, कोबाल्ट, नहीं, Ni, निकल, करप्ट, Cu, जिंदगी, Zn. So I hope this 3D series is clear to you. Now we'll move to next one, that is 4D series. Its atomic number is from 39 to 48, and it's about one deep friendship between two friends. What he is saying, elements are yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, tectinium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. So it's about deep friendship between two friends. See here, यारी, ज़रा, निभाना, मौत तक, रुकावट, राहें पड़ेंगी आगे चलकर. I'm repeating, यारी, ज़रा, निभाना, मौत तक, रुकावट, राहें पड़ेंगी आगे चलकर. So you can correlate it with यारी, Y, ज़रा, ZR, zirconium, निभाना, NB, मौत, MO, molybdenum, तक, TC, tectinium, रुकावट, RU, ruthenium, राहें, RH, rhodium, पड़ेंगी, PD, palladium, आगे, AG, silver, चलकर, cadmium. So with this simple line you can easily learn this 4D series, that is called as second transition series. Now next we'll move to third transition series. Elements are from atomic number 71 to 80. It starts from lanthanum and till mercury. Here it's written 57 to 71. These are present as lanthanides and they are present here in the periodic table in first F block series. F block also present in two series that starts from lanthanum. They are called as lanthanides. I'll tell you line later on. First now I'll tell you line for third transition series, that is also called as 5D series. So its members are lanthanum, hafnium, its third member is tantalum, then tungsten, then rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Now it's about one Gunda type friends are there. So they are saying to someone ki we have to take money from you. So it's La, L-A, La, Hafta, HFNTA I have collected here. La, Hafta, Varna, Ramesh और इंदर पिटेंगे और तू हॉस्पिटल जाएगा. Again I am repeating, La, Hafta, HFNTA I have combined. La, Hafta, Varna, Ramesh और इंदर पीटेंगे और तू हॉस्पिटल जाएगा. With this it's completed, that is 5D series. And now last series of D block is 6D series, which is also called as fourth transition series, and its members are from 89 to 103. They are present from 89 to 103. They are present in the last series, that is actinides. They are called as actinide series or 5F series. Here they are present from 103 to 112, and first member is actinium, then RF rutherfordium, DB dubinium, SG seaborgium, BH bohrium, HS hassium, MT meitnerium, DS dermastadium, RG rotagium and CN copernicium. Now we can learn it with one trick, that it's about praise of R.D. Sharma maths book. AC, Acha, R, F and DB I have combined here. RD I have taken first letter of both of these. Acha, R.D. Sharma की बुक में है मैथ्स के डैशिंग रेंज के कौन्स. आई एम रिपीटिंग, अच्छा R.D. Sharma की book में, those I have written below, they are not belonging to any letter here. I have just add them to make the sense of this line, nothing else. So अच्छा R.D. Sharma की book में हैं मैथ्स के डैशिंग रेंज के poles. I hope it's very easy for you to learn these third and fourth transition series with these simple tricks. Now we'll move to last one, in which you have confused most, that is lanthanides and actinides. Maximum of you have done me so many messages कि we have to learn these lanthanides and actinides. These are not possible. So now it's possible. You can learn lanthanides, that is 4F series, that atomic number from 57, because I have counted here lanthanum also, otherwise it's present from cerium 58 till lutetium, that is 71. So you can learn it with lanthanum, cerium, that is praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dyspermium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. Now lines for them are: lanthanum you have to learn first because it's lanthanide series. So I'll start from 58 number, that is cerium. So I have written here 2 lines which will easy for you. You can learn that Selena, Priya and Pamela. Sam, Co, euro, here I have used currency, euro, gold, tab, diho, I have combined these two. It's a Rajasthani word, that diho, are, tum, ये भी लूटो. सेलिना, प्रिया एंड पैमिला, सैम को यूरो, गोल्ड, तब दी हो, अरे तुम ये भी लूटो. और यू कैन लर्न इट्स डायरेक्शन टू CM कि CM you have not to give much more much more things to the border area, because gaddars are also present there. So I have used here that सीमा पार ना 2 PM समान, यूं गद्दार तबाही दोबारा होगी और तुम यूं ही लुटोगे. आई एम रिपीटिंग: सीमा पार ना 2 PM समान, यूं गद्दार तबाही दोबारा होगी और तुम यूं ही लुटोगे. It's very simple lines. These 2 lines I have written. It's up to you which one is easy for you. You can learn. Now we'll move to actinides. It's called as 5F series. I have written journal configuration here also. So it's a start from actinium. Actinides means actinium, and in your book it starts from actinide series from 90 to 103. It means it starts from 89, that is here 89 actinium till 103. So members are actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americum, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium and lawrencium is the last one. So we'll learn it with AC Tha. Now it's about one girl who is keen to go for the one family in which maybe she will engaged, but she has so much she is so much curious about her future. She is saying to her father that AC tha papa unpe, I have combined U and NP, unpe purani American company का बाकी सीलिंग फैन ऐसी फैमिली मिडल नो लड़की राजी. He means she is convincing to her father कि I'll not go in that family which one is middle class family. So I'm repeating this line: AC था पापा उनपे पुरानी अमेरिकन कंपनी का बाकी सीलिंग फैन ऐसी फैमिली मिडल क्लास नो लड़की राजी. I hope it's clear to you. You have to repeat them again and again for learning. It's not a task for a single day कि you can learn it in a single day. You have to revise it again and again, and these are very simple tricks. With these tricks, periodic table learning is very easy to you. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.